It's on low. Before I've gone through it. Just snapped out of place, which is good. It sticks though. Blade needs to be balanced. Runs good though. Paint's gonna polish up really nice, and the rest of it's in really nice shape. I did pay up for it, but it's because it's in really nice shape. I wouldn't have bothered if it wasn't in great shape. I have the parts fan anyway, so it's not a big deal. I actually stole the tag off of it because it was missing. It's not correct looking, but hopefully when I put some black paint on it, it's not terrible. It'll turn out okay. It's usable. I have to just balance the blade because it shakes. It's vibrating. When I go through it, it should be quieter. I don't know, I might use this at night. Probably not. But that paint is going to clean up really nicely. This is after I threw a little bit of oil in it just for this video. There's a switch which is supposed to, they're all supposed to engage later, which is weird, but there's a little off balance. I think this is 1911. Might be 1912. I'll have to look at the blade. It's probably 1912. Yeah, the start switch is really delayed. The shaft is smaller though. That's the thing. They made two shaft sizes, and this one is much smaller. So I don't know if that means it's like, oh, I have a number I can look at. Ooh, it's 1912. Yeah, okay. So what you do is you can look at that number stamped in it, and I think they only did this in 1910. Wait, is that 13? Shit. Oh no, it's 12. Just the angle. Yeah, so it's 1912. They made this, they switched over to this style in 1911. Probably could tell because it didn't have that ring in it, I'm guessing. Maybe. I'm probably wrong. But this is the non-oscillator one, which is okay. I care less, to be honest. The oscillators aren't even if it is oscillator, it's not worth much more than this. So it's the Western Electric, which I like, which is different rather than just Westinghouse, which is kind of boring. I like the tag on Western Electric better. But once I'm done with this, probably not gonna be for a while, maybe like next year or this summer, whenever I have free time, I'll be able to work on this. So thanks for watching, hope you enjoy.